Welcome back to Bible Quiz Star. Why was Noah specifically chosen to enter the ark? A. Being old. B. Being powerful. C. Being upright. Or D. Being wealthy. The correct answer is C. Being upright. If you guessed that right, just hit the like button. Does the distinction between clean and unclean animals suggest God's concern for maintaining order in creation? Would you rate this as true? The answer is true. If you guessed that right, then subscribe. What was God's purpose in preserving 7 pairs of birds? A. Build nests. B. Ensure survival. C. Feed humans. Or D. Transport messages. The correct answer is B. Ensure survival. Was the flood primarily meant as a punishment rather than a purification of earth? Would you agree this is true? The answer is false. What characteristic of Noah is demonstrated by his response to God's command? A. Complete obedience. B. Delayed response. C. Partial compliance. Or D. Questioning God. The correct answer is A. Complete obedience. Did Noah's family enter the ark out of faith rather than fear of waters? Would you agree this is true? The answer is true. What does the orderly entrance of animals represent? A. Animal instinct. B. Divine order. C. Noah's power. Or D. Random selection. The correct answer is B. Divine order. Does the mention of fountains of the deep suggest only rain caused the flood? Would you rate this as true? The answer is false. What does the specific naming of Noah's sons indicate? A. Family preservation. B. Military strength. C. Political power. Or D. Tribal leadership. The correct answer is A. Family preservation. Was God's closing of the ark a sign of divine protection? True or false? The answer is true. What does the ark's rising symbolize? A. Divine deliverance. B. Human achievement. C. Natural flotation. Or D. Random occurrence. The correct answer is A. Divine deliverance. Was the complete coverage of mountains primarily about physical destruction? Does this seem true to you? The answer is false. What important lesson about God's love can we learn from those who were saved in the ark? A. Earthly wealth. B. Faithful obedience. C. Human wisdom. Or D. Personal strength. The correct answer is B. Faithful obedience. What does the long time of the flood teach us about God's way of making things new? A. Patient renewal. B. Quick fixes. C. Short changes. Or D. Simple cleanup. The correct answer is A. Patient renewal.